12 daily habits that build a strong romantic relationship. Some relationships are just destined to be. It's like they were made for each other. Others take work and commitment, but the good ones will always outlast the bad ones because there is something that keeps them together through thick and thin. Building a strong romantic relationship with your partner is not just about what you do for them, but also about the things you do for yourself. In this video, we are going to show you the 12 key habits that, according to science, will support building a dynamic, healthy, and lasting romantic relationship between two people. Welcome to a new video from the Social Psychology Masters YouTube channel. If you're new here, subscribe for more social psychology videos, and comment down below, "I subscribed," and let us welcome you. Let's start. Number 1. Practice free and open communication. According to one study, couples who communicate better and fight less than other couples show fewer depressive symptoms and more relationship satisfaction. This means that it is important to be good at listening to your partner and not let emotions get in the way of your ability to communicate. Express yourself openly, even if you are afraid that it might hurt them or make them mad. Keep an open mind when it comes to their opinions by using active listening techniques like paraphrasing what they say. Both partners should practice giving constructive feedback and be willing to apologize for mistakes. So talk to your partner. You don't have to fight with them over every issue, but it's crucial that you're able to express what you need from them and also how they can improve as a romantic partner for you. And this goes both ways. Number 2. Find new ways to connect with one another. Finding new ways to connect with each other is also essential to having a strong, lasting, and healthy romantic relationship. You can try new activities like cooking together, taking a walk, or even going to bed an hour earlier than usual. You don't always have to do the same things over and over again. Be a little spontaneous and ask your partner to do something with you. It doesn't have to be grandiose. It can even be as simple as going for a walk in the park or maybe watching your favorite movie together. Setting aside some time each day to connect makes you feel closer and more connected than when you're just sitting and staring at each other as you scroll through your social media feed. Number 3. Fix any fights you might have within the day. According to one study, couples who don't always talk things through end up regretting those small everyday arguments that they didn't fix. When you're fighting with your partner, it's important to address the issue as soon as possible, ideally within 24 hours. This will allow both of you to move past the negative emotions and prevent them from festering. Just because you are hurt doesn't mean that you have to keep holding a grudge and wait for your partner to apologize first. Try and be the one who starts the conversation, not necessarily with an apology, but by telling them how you feel about their actions or statements that led up to the fight. This way, they will know exactly why you're upset and they can work on it. Number 4. Compliment each other. This means that it is important to let your partner know when they look nice or when you appreciate something they did for you. Don't wait until a special occasion, like an anniversary or birthday, but make it a habit to compliment them every day. According to one study, couples who compliment each other and show care and appreciation for their significant other tend to feel more satisfied in the relationship. It doesn't have to be fake. You can simply say that they look nice in their jeans or tell them why you are grateful that they're your partner. Number 5. Share a laugh together. Laughing together makes you feel closer and more connected to your partner. This doesn't just mean laughing about something funny that happened earlier in the day, but actually sitting down with them and watching a funny movie or show together. According to relationship experts, couples who laugh and joke around together build stronger relationships than those who don't. So make sure to start your day with a good laugh. And even when one of you is having a bad day, make sure to still engage in some sort of humor. This will shift your mood and make you both feel more positive. Number 6. Offer regular physical contact. Physical contact is an essential part of any relationship, whether platonic or romantic. Touching your partner in some way will make them feel closer to you and also make you feel closer to them in return. This doesn't mean that you have to always initiate physical contact, but rather that it is important to offer physical contact as well. So find out what kind of physical contact makes your partner feel good and make sure to do it. You can also use this time for cuddling or simply holding their hands when you watch a movie at home. According to research, physical affection is an important part of building a lasting romantic relationship. Touching your partner releases oxytocin, the bonding hormone, and also makes them feel safe, secure, and loved. Number 7. Think about how you can make them feel happy every day. This might sound strange to some people, but it's important that you think about how your actions toward them affect their moods and happiness levels all the time. Don't be selfish and think only about your own needs and happiness, but make a conscious effort to ask yourself how you can make them feel good. So before making any decisions or getting into any arguments with your partner, try thinking instead, how does this affect him or her? This will prevent you from doing anything that might hurt them, and it will also give you an opportunity to honor their needs. It's important that you always keep your partner in mind and think about how they might feel about something before actually doing it. If you do the things that make them happy, they'll be more attracted to you and will also appreciate what you do for them a lot more. This goes both ways. Number 8. Respect their opinion. Even if you don't agree with your partner, respect their opinion when they tell you how they feel or what they think about something. Communication is essential in any relationship, so listen to what they have to say and don't dismiss it, just because you think differently. Don't try to change their mind or tell them that they're wrong. Instead, simply express why you feel the way you do, and then let them decide for themselves if your opinion is right or not. Just because they are your partner doesn't mean you can treat them like a child. Treating your partner with respect is something that should flow naturally in any relationship, but it's important to constantly remind yourself that they are a human being who deserves as much respect as you do. Number 9. Talk about your future together. Building a strong romantic relationship is not just about the present, but also about what you see in your future together. So make sure to talk about your future plans and how you both envision your lives evolving. Talking about the future doesn't romanticize it or create false expectations that will never come true. It simply gives you an opportunity to dream about what you want together and discuss ways to make it happen. Not only will planning for the future make your partner feel like they're an important part of your life, but it's also a great way for you both to be on the same page about where you see yourself in 1 year or 5 years from now. It will give each of you an opportunity to express your feelings and desires about the future, which are important to any relationship. Number 10. Give each other some space. When you live together or spend every moment with each other, it's easy to forget that you are still two different people who need space sometimes. So make sure to give your partner some time alone. Even though you should spend as much time together as possible, it's important to give each other space every now and then. This will allow your partner the chance to spend time with friends or family members without you, which will also make them appreciate the time they have with you even more. It's perfectly fine to spend some time apart from each other. It's not a sign of problems in your relationship if you do, so don't feel like it has to be that way. All relationships need some space to grow and evolve. So let them flow naturally instead of trying to control them or completely forgetting about the needs of your partner just because they're always with you. Number 11. Learn to forgive. No person is perfect, and you will find flaws in your partner as well, but it's important to learn how to forgive them for their mistakes. Being with someone means accepting them the way they are, even if you don't like some of their traits. Everyone makes mistakes and learns from them along the way. So, don't judge your partner based on things that happened in the past or mistakes they've made. Instead, let them develop into their own person while you assist them in becoming better. Forgiving your partner for their mistakes should come easily to you because it's something that comes naturally in any relationship. Number 12. Make time for each other, even when you're busy. Building a strong romantic relationship doesn't depend on how much time you spend together, but it certainly helps when both of you make an effort to be there for each other. Regardless of whether you work together or separately, or even if one of you travels often, make sure to carve out some time every week where only the two of you can be together and catch up. Even if it's only for 30 minutes, make time to sit down and talk or watch a movie together. You'll find that small gestures like these will go a long way toward building a strong romantic relationship with your partner. Conclusion: building a strong romantic relationship with your partner is not about material things or grand gestures, but rather it's about the small things you do every day that make them feel happy and loved. As long as you take the time to listen to what your partner has to say and treat them with respect, no matter how busy you might be, building a successful career, you can build a strong romantic relationship with your partner. In doing these little things for each other, Not only will it make them feel loved and wanted, but it will also inspire you to be a better person as well. You'll see that true happiness comes from within, when you know what makes the people around you happy. To learn more, check out other videos on this channel and the links in the description. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.